Hi folks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video we're going to replace the air filter of the Brixton 125. And again, it doesn't matter what Brixton you have. If it's a 125 or even a 150cc, it doesn't matter if it's a cafe racer or if it's the scrambler, it's all the same. The air filter is sitting behind this panel. So that's the panel you will have to remove on the left hand side of your Brixton. So let's have a look. Don't pull it from the bottom because there is a little pin sticking into this metal frame. So you need to lift it from the top first. Removing the panel takes a bit of force because you have to pull it out first from the top, and then you can tilt it out and pull it back. Because there's a little pin there that goes in here. So if you start pulling from the bottom, you're going to break the panel. So always start pulling it from the top. Right. That is where your air filter is sitting. And here it is. This is the air filter. And you will see 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the top 3 you don't really need to remove to get the air filter out. But if you're going to replace it, you will have to. So let's do that and remove all the parts little bit by little bit. Now I know a very good store where you can get good quality and in fact original Brixton air filters. I will place the link in my comments on this video, and I ordered it online. It's a shop in Germany and it's quite good. Don't order the filter on Amazon.com or something like this, or eBay, because you can find the filters on eBay as well, but it's about 4 times the price. Anyhow, you can already see this yellow part inside. That is the actual filter. But the filter is 1 unit, so to take it completely out, you have to undo the remaining 3 Phillips screws. Okay, so this is the filter and it just comes out like that. And here it is. This is the air filter of the Brixton. Now this air filter is still very clean. But if you need a new one, that's the part you will have to buy. So if you're going to clean the air filter, then use an air gun, but don't blow the air from the outside like so, because that is not going to be good, because you're going to blow the dust inside the filter. Turn the filter around and blow it out like this. You're probably going to ask me now, how often do I need to change my air filter? Well, that depends on the environment where you live in. In some environments where it's very dusty, you may have to change it every 1,000 kilometers or even clean it every 500. In other areas where it's wet, where I live, and everything is paved and we have very little dust roads, then yeah, I change it every 7,000 or every 6,000 kilometers. But a good practice is always every so often check it, blow it out like I've shown you with the air gun. And this is the air filter, guys. That's the part you will have to buy. I think it's around 15 or 20 euros. This one is still very clean because I just had it replaced. And remember, this is the part that goes in there. It is keyed, so you can't really place it the way you want to. You got to put it right, like so. All right? So don't forget that. Good. And that's it. So let's now put it back together. So once you've got the new air filter, just put it in. But pay attention that the rim, you see that rim here, is facing forward and the opening is in the back. And then align it with the holes and put the screws in. And then tighten them, but don't over tighten it, okay? There's no need to put a lot of force onto this because you will damage the thread otherwise. And then you put the last cover on. Again, you will see that it's keyed. So turn it until it falls in place. See, now it fell in place and now it's fitted right. Yeah. Putting the panel back on is easy. You first move the panel into the bottom hole and then align the top parts and press it into place. There we go. So thank you for viewing, and more videos are coming. We're going to replace the brake pads, and we'll do a lot of other adjustments on the Brixton 125. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.